Newfoundland dogs, tips for leash training. Newfoundland dogs, known for their massive size and gentle nature, are a popular breed among dog lovers. However, their large stature can make leash training a bit challenging. In this article, we will discuss some useful tips for leash training your Newfoundland dog. 1. Start early. Leash training should ideally begin when your Newfoundland is still a puppy. The earlier you start, the easier it will be to teach them good leash manners. Puppies are more receptive to learning, and they adapt quickly to new experiences. Introduce a leash and collar to your puppy and let them get accustomed to the feeling of having something around their neck. 2. Use a proper leash and collar/harness. Ensure that you have the right equipment for leash training. For Newfoundland dogs, a sturdy leash and a well-fitting collar or harness are essential. Due to their size and strength, a regular collar may not provide enough control. Opt for a harness that distributes the pressure evenly across your dog's body. 3. Positive reinforcement. Newfoundland dogs respond well to positive reinforcement. When they walk on a leash without pulling or behaving well, reward them with praise, treats, or both. Positive reinforcement will motivate them to repeat the desired behavior. On the other hand, avoid punishment or yanking on the leash, as it can create fear and anxiety in your dog, hindering their progress. 4. Keep training sessions short and consistent. Newfoundland dogs are generally relaxed and patient, but they can become easily bored or distracted during training sessions. Keep the training sessions brief, around 10 to 15 minutes, to prevent your dog from losing interest. Consistency is also key. Regularly practice leash training, ideally multiple times a day, to reinforce the desired behavior. 5. Start in a calm environment. When beginning leash training, choose a peaceful and quiet location. A calm environment will help your Newfoundland dog stay focused and attentive. Once your dog becomes comfortable walking on a leash in a controlled setting, gradually progress to more stimulating environments with distractions. 6. Teach loose leash walking. Teaching your Newfoundland dog to walk without pulling on the leash is essential for both your comfort and their safety. Begin by allowing some slack on the leash and taking a few steps. If your dog pulls, stop and wait for them to release the tension on the leash. Encourage them to come back to your side and reward them when they do. With consistent practice, your dog will learn to associate loose leash walking with positive reinforcement. 7. Handle pulling. If your Newfoundland dog starts pulling on the leash, avoid the temptation to pull back. Instead, stop and stand still, holding the leash firmly. Wait until your dog returns to your side and rewards them for the desired behavior. Pulling on the leash will only make the dog think that pulling is necessary to move forward. 8. Stimulation and exercise. Newfoundland dogs are active and energetic, despite their calm demeanor. Before leash training, make sure your dog has had sufficient exercise and mental stimulation. A well-exercised Newfoundland will be more focused and responsive to training sessions. Engage in activities such as fetch, swimming, or playing with other dogs before you start the leash training. 9. Seek professional help if needed. If you're facing significant difficulties in leash training your Newfoundland dog, do not hesitate to seek the assistance of a professional dog trainer. A professional can provide personalized guidance and help address any specific issues you might be facing with your dog's leash training. Leash training your Newfoundland dog requires patience, consistency, and positive reinforcement. With proper training and guidance, you can enjoy peaceful walks with your gentle giant, knowing that they are well behaved and under control. Start early, use the right equipment, and make the training sessions enjoyable for both you and your dog. Remember, every dog is unique, so be patient and tailor the training approach to suit your Newfoundland's individual needs.